Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Muhammad Azmin. My number matric is 2025-102-807.
My name is Muhammad bin Rafi bin Aziz. My number matric is 2025-393-209.
My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad. My matric number is 2025-175-789.
Today, we will be presenting about water treatment process carried out in Perlis, including the raw water source, the authorities responsible, issues related to water supply, and the food treatment process. I will also share simple conservation tips that we can practice daily. Here is the outline of my presentation. First, I will explain the raw water source in Perlis. Second, we will look at issues related to water supply in the state. Third, I will introduce the authorities responsible for managing clean water. Fourth, I will describe the raw water source used for water treatment. And lastly, I will walk through the raw water treatment process applied in Perlis. Perlis is located in northern Peninsula Malaysia. It borders Kedah to the south and Thailand's southern province to the north. Perlis is also the smallest state in Malaysia. Despite its size, it plays an important role in agriculture and cross-border activities. Perlis relies on several key raw water sources. The first source is Perlis River, the longest and most significant river in the state. The second is the Timah Tasor Dam, which supports irrigation and domestic water needs. The third is the Sungai Muda system, where part of Perlis raw water comes from Kedah through the Muda River system.
Issues related to water supply in Perlis. There are several issues affecting water supply in Perlis. One challenge is the heavy dependence on single main dam, which makes supply vulnerable during drought. Perlis also experiences hot weather and long dry season because it received the lowest rainfall in Malaysia. Additionally, water pollution occurs due to agricultural activities and small industries that put pressure on river water quality. Authorities responsible. There are three main authorities involved. First, Syarikat Air Perlis, which is responsible for supplying treated water to homes and businesses. Second, Pengurusan Aset Air Berhad or PAAB, which is provide funding for long-term water system development and infrastructure. Third, SPAN, the National Water Services Commission, ensure that Perlis follows national standards for water quality and service. Now, let's look at each raw water source in more detail. The Perlis River flows through Kanga and nearby towns such as Arau. It is the most important river in the state. The Timah Tasor Dam, located in northern Perlis, was developed to support irrigation, water supply, and flood control. The Muda River, although flowing mainly through Kedah, supply raw water to northern Perlis and support ecosystem along its route.
Water treatment process overview. The Perlis water treatment process includes several major steps: screening, aeration, coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, and finally disinfection or sterilization. Each step ensures that the water will become clean, safe, and suitable for consumption. Screening is the first step where floating materials such as leaf or wood pieces are removed. Next is aeration, where water is mixed with air to remove gases like carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfate, which cause bad taste and odor. Filtration remove fine particle, color, taste and smell by passing water through filter bed. Okay, next. Coagulation. Coagulation involves adding chemical like alum to cause small particles to collide and form larger clumps. Sedimentation is where water is left to stand for several hours so heavier particles can settle at the bottom. The final step is disinfection, where harmful bacteria are destroyed using methods such as chlorination, UV radiation or boiling.
That's the end of our quick look at the water treatment process in Perlis. Thanks for watching.